Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about the advanced level of HTML, whereby we are going to see how we can use Python and Django to navigate within our website. For example, we have uh, conduct me uh, directory, whereby when you click that one, it should take you to a form where you should fill. Even as we talk now, we are going to continue with the forms, and HTML forms are also part of advanced Django and Python. So these are forms and also this navigating within the page. It is categorized in an advanced level. So having said that, let's get started. Okay, we have here. Now we can go to our PyCharm, and in our PyCharm we can control C, control and C to get out of the previous work, and we start new. And we start new by opening this project in the VS Code like that. Code space dot and click enter. Yeah, it has opened. Now when you look at this bench of ours, it has got Modrichalo that side, and you can see this horizontal roll line. It is not getting into the end, into the beginning, so we shall fix that later. Okay, here just after skills, then you can say someone to contact you if we want anything to, or if we want any service of the above. And how does someone contact you? Through contact form, or through sending you a message, or through chatting you, or through making call. And how you get that, we shall create the contact me uh, form. And this is how we do it. We come here and we say we want our contact to be just below our skills, and our contact myth should be, let's let's have the h3 heading, and we tap enter, and then we say we need hang tag here. Remember, we have talked about hang tag when we were doing the basics, the HTML beginner. But now we are in an advanced level. We shall say anchor tag, and we hit tab to bring something like this. So here in between, here within the anchor tag, we shall say contact me. And then this is contact me. Let's Control S to save changes and come here, refresh the page. Something that's going on. See, yeah, we should run Python manage.py run server. Python manage.py run server. Yes, and it opens like this. You just click this starting development server 8 http forward slash, then you click on this. You click on that, it is going to come. And yeah, contact me. You see, contact me. When you click on this, that is nothing. It is not going to take you anywhere. It's just taking you to the same page, which we don't want that. We want, when you click that, to take you to another page within this website. So, and how do we do that? To do that, or to achieve that, we need to have the views. We have to work with the urls.py, and we have to configure this one with the ginger, whereby we shall load this uh, we shall load this one from the where the file is template file to where the website is to be found. So let's see how it is done. Now here we have this one, but when you look at this, when you look at our project here, we have home app, we have online shop, and these two are the one that are going to be uh, make, make it possible to display this contact me page, or when you click on it, you'll be redirected to where you can contact us from. And therefore we can start with uh, this one and see urls. This urls, see, we have path, we have include home.urls. So this one, it is, this is include, this is another include, whereby it is including things from Django urls, or all urls are included. So here, when you look at here, you have app home hub.urls and home hub.urls. These are URLs that are hosted within the home hub. Where is home hub? This one now. This home hub, we can open and see URLs. This one. Okay? And see, I don't know why it's like, is it empty really? It shouldn't be having something. Yeah. Yes. So you see, there is a path, and this path, it is views. You know, views. Then you go to home page and home. So when you look at this one, it is blank. And this blank means whenever anyone click on this, let me open also this one. Whenever someone come and click on this home, it is going to take him to URLs of the main project and say, go check whether there is anything in home displayed on a web page. And to come here and say home templates and home, this one, home.html. And remember, when you look at here, you see views. When you look at here, it is telling you views. Where are these views? These views are found within the same folder where it is hosted, URL and then a views. And when you look at the views, then the views, let's open the views, you see the view is having defined as function here. So the view is defined as home and requested to render what? the home HTML file. So return render requests for the file from the home app. And that file from the home app, it is going to be found within the templates. And within the templates folder, there is a file known as home.html. Take that, chop it out, and make it displayed on the web page. So that is the explanation about that. So when you go to home, you can find the, let's go and see. This is home, this is templates, this is home app, and when you click on the home app, it will open. It will open. And what is inside? Home.html. This one, home.html. See, it must be inside the templates, although we don't write the templates here because the Django by default it is knowing all these HTML are hosted within the within the templates folder. So HTML files they are inside the template, and this template is hosted inside the home app. So that's why we are saying home app the HTML. Okay, having said that, now we can come here to home page again, and we go urls, and now we want to define another path. So we can say path, and this path is taking us to sorry, this path is taking us somewhere where we are going to define, and it is taking us to somewhere. Where is there? Contact. It takes us to the contact page, and the contact page it is going to be enhanced, or it is going to be meant to be viewed by a user because of views dot. This dot is just showing you go to contact, and then we go to name, and the name of the page it is called the contact. It is called the contact. Now look, this views we have not done any view. So to be able to come to the views, and then it is there is contact file, what we do, we define the view, and the name of the view it is contact. It must be contact. So we come to views. Where the views? Here we open the views, and we define another uh, view. So define, this is like defining of a function in the programming of the Python. You just define the contact like that, and you request, something, and after you have requested something, what is it that you want to return to the page or to the web page? It is you want to render HTML page. You want to render HTML page, and you render it by saying request comma, within the quotation, you say, where does the home, where does the file found? It should be found within the home app. Then, which is the name of that file? It is known as conduct dot html. Okay. Then remember, we have not created this conduct.html file within the template. Now let's go to templates and create it. So we come here in the templates and see, I want it to be within the home. So I click on home like that, and I click new file. And new file is called the conduct conduct dot html, and it is there. See what I've done, because you may do it wrongly. So not this one, it is home hub. Here you click, you make sure it is home hub, that is underlined, then you right click and then you do the thing. Okay, let's go back. Let's open. So this is the home. This is the two files that are hosted within the template folder and the home folder. So these two files. So conduct, we want to do something in the conduct here. And here, what we want to do now, when we go to this file, we want to have the title of h3, and this is conduct details. Let's say conduct details. Conduct details. Sorry. Conduct details. So that is what we have to do so far. So what are these conduct details? You can say LinkedIn, Richalo, you can say email, Madhui, Chalonsis at gmail.com. The Chalonsis one. Phone, WhatsApp. WhatsApp is 07 169 16 128. That's enough. You can get me through WhatsApp here. You can get me through email here. You can get me through LinkedIn here. So that is enough. So let's save everything. Control S. I remember I told you when you see something like whitish here, it means that the the work is not saved. So to save the work, you just Control S to save it, or you can if you want to save it here, you can come here, File, and Save. Yeah, if you don't want shortcut. Now that is that. Now what is remaining? We have we have we have created. Let me check out everything. We have seen the main URLs has got there is included the URLs. So here is blank. Why is blank here? It is blank by convention. That means whenever someone get into the your website, he is getting it directly without n forward slash. So when you say something here, and like when you say something here like hub, then that means someone must follow this procedure. For example, someone must come here and instead of that one, that direct link, he should say home hub to get access. You see, there is home app. There is problem also. Uh, the page not found. So you see how it is trick. But this is the main function. So home hub, you can say home hub, then you go to home hub itself. Then you see URLs here. Conduct me file. Let's put the forward slash and Control S. And here we have not saved. Control S. And when you come back here, we refresh. There is still problem. See how does it say? The URL has changed. You get that why it cannot load. That is very, 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 very crucial. So these things they mean a lot. So for ourselves to get just default by home, we just leave here blank, but not always. The next time when we have another application, we are not going to leave it blank, or we can also decide to leave it blank. The decision is upon you. So for the first one must be like that, or you can also make it not blank. For example, when you go to online, let me show. When you go to online shop, it is when you are going to get the URL. But because of this include, it may bring the problem. So to avoid all that, it's better to make it blank. So let's see. Online shop. Control S. Come here, refresh. You see, same case, it is applying. because of what? URLs changed for reloading. So because of all that, let's solve that problem by making it blank. That is first up, should be blank anyway. Then Control S. When it is blank, we say run. And it has got problems still. The machine is slow. That's the reason. Let us finish loading. Yeah, it has been finished loading. So let's open. I don't know why the machine is so slow. Maybe it is carrying a lot of things. I mean, it has already come. So now we have this contact me. And this, when you click this one, it will direct us. It should be directing us to the page. But what happened when you click it right now? It is not giving us anywhere. It is just redirecting us to the same page. So to achieve that, we are going to come here and go to the home page and look at the templates then the contact HTML. It's the contact is all right. Home page. The home page is all right. So you see this one. Now we are going to use Ginger here. In Ginger, it is what you should understand is that this one is like something that is enabling your code to be displayed on the front end. So for that reason, we use Ginger, and it is in a form of curl bracket like that, and percentage like that, and therefore we use URL, uniform resource locator, and we say the page that we want it to be displayed. For our case, it is contact page. So when you Control S to save the changes and come here, and when you come here, you refresh the page, and after refreshing the page, you come here and you click on contact me. It should take you to contact me. So you can see LinkedIn, you can come here, and it's not very fine when it's like that. So let's modify it a bit, and we are going to contact me page HTML file, and what we should do is just you apply the break like that, and yeah, let's Control S and C and break here. When this is end, there should be break. There should be break also. Yeah, it is right now. Let's see how it is. Come and refresh the page. Yeah, it should be LinkedIn, the Jalo, email, the Jalo, this one at gmail.com, and WhatsApp, that one. So you can use either of these to get in touch. And today we have successfully successfully used the local navigation within our page, within our website. So we can test it last time or the one more time. We are here. This is home page. Remember, there is nothing here, but we can also use the the slash and see contact, and when we hit the enter, it's taking us the same place. Okay, so here it is taking the same place after you have using this uniform resource locator. But still you can also come here in pinch, and then you can come here and click on contact me, and when you click in contact me, it should be redirect you to another page that is about the the the, the contact that you can use in order to get in touch with me. And that is just introduction of the high level or of the advanced level of HTML using Django and Python. Next time we shall look at the forms. This information is just plain, so it can be it can be used